What up, people? And I hope you guys have a nice Sunday. I do. Lovely blue sky, horse, and wire. So, I guess that well, most of you that scraps wire have heard of the WSX wire stripping tool from TNT Tooling. Uh, and it's for me a quite expensive piece of equipment for this job. So I am a DIY guy. So I made one myself. Ta-da! Except exactly the same concept with some pilot holes, some screws to fix the blade into depth. Just took some rods from CD-ROM drives and sharpened it. Oh yeah, and I cut my freaking hand. So, but I'll try to do this single-handed. Oh, by the way, this works for stranded wire also. Sorry, braided. This is solid. I'm just gotta find the cut. Just a second. There we go. Ta-da! I keep it in my mouth. Ta-da! A nice piece of solid copper wire. Down to the bucket. Well, later guys.